Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Big up all of the Jamaica Labour Party supporters. Big up JLP. Big up JLP. Well, I notice you have some PNP councillors. They might take pictures of some road and they might ask some people in some other neighborhoods to send them photos and they might tag the places them where, okay, call Andrew Onis, the place one fix. Feel good. The place supposed to fix. This is to fix. Right, sir? Where they now? College Smith Drive. This is a Mark Golding constituency. You not take a picture up yourself, you know. The people them not going to tag on you, you know. This is Mark Golding constituency. Yes. I want to tell me what you think about these major road into this constituency. Yes? Just tell me. I don't have to pinpoint anywhere. We just going to drive, go up the road, drive, come back down the road. You understand? We're not go up on a corner, we're not go up on the ends, we're not expose anybody. This is the road in a Mark Golding constituency. Remember now, nobody no business where who no want to vote. We all know that you guys are going to vote for PNP. And we know now all of the member of parliament responsible. But you know, we leave out on the community and go next door, go help Black Road, Bonfire, do all of the things the man say. Jamaica Labour Party Prime Minister Andrew Onis is not doing a good job, including the MP. Sometimes when they don't call the MP name, none at all. But this is over jungle, not all of the street them, just two major thoroughfare. And remember, it only do have no problem with it. Who over here, so, you not go vote same way with the road condition. You not go put on the X side of the head because I saw you vote one way. But you still go down past Spanish Town Road and block the road and burn tire and claim to say Andrew Onis not doing a good job. Andrew Onis MP them not doing a good job. I don't have a problem with you now. Me I go eat raw Jamaican patois. Me not a problem with you now. Me not have no problem with you now. Vote for who no want to vote for. But stop being deceitful and conceited. Look at this community. Look at it just going up the road. I mean, I come down the road. Because it's worse coming down the road. Yes, it's very worse. So when you comment down in the box, comment down in the box. Because remember, when I come for deplore and expose over jungle and its business, just them two roads when you look pan. You understand me? There's a councillor. What she do? She asks for pictures from other communities. And then she start tag. And then she start putting the name of the community and say, well, this road are bad, this road are bad. She doesn't take out the patches them. She's not driving on the road. Whosoever get the picture, they're not driving on the road. Them just take a picture of one pothole. Because you can have a long road, you know, and one pothole bad and it need fixed and it's supposed to be fixed. But remember, they're not doing it. So you see me I drive on the road. And I show you the complete road. I not take my picture and a patch and a patch and a patch. This is how the people them decide say them alright with this. Them will vote for the member of parliament same way. They will not take tire and go block the road while I'm not condoning to block road and put no trouble in the public space. But this is the problem with the politicians and the people them. The politician them know say you know a joker. The politician know so they don't hold anybody accountable, especially the one them want to vote for. Them know you don't hold nobody accountable. Look at this. This is going on roundabout. If you all know, right at the football field, the garden right there, so, and you go round the roundabout, like a mini roundabout right there, so, and you go down the road. So if you just come on with the over Mark Golding constituency, yeah, with the over Mark Golding constituency, me say Mark Golding go over Andrew Onis constituency, I complain about gully and road and this and that. Look over here, sir. Look over here, sir. And again, me know say it no matter to uno. the double standard when I try to say to them, I understand, say, no, all right with the road, uno all right, uno not demonstrate, uno all right, uno not make no problem. Uno all right. But why go down to your girlfriend yard when you go check look for her? You gone out the road, gone block the road there, and I talk about say the road want fix, the road want do this, the road want do that, the road want do this. Yesterday, me saw one accident happen on Olympic Way. R.I.P. to that person there. It's so sad. But the people them are burn tire in the road just to call TVG and CVM, and everybody have a phone where them can call CVM and TVG. Them are burn tire in the road. Them are burn tire in the road. Nice road. Nice. Look on this, come here, son. Look at all of this. Just look on the whole of this. And again, nobody is supporting you to block in the road, do anything. All we are telling you say, all your MP and your councillor responsible. You understand me? And if you don't want to do it, we don't have no problem. But look at the state of these roads, and you have PNP councillor and PNP MP oppose other community, which part them say, well, okay, that road is bad. Andrew owns them now fix it. This a person now fix it. That the person now fix it. Me not even want to go to the mayor. Me don't want to go to the mayor. Me don't want to show the 2 pile of rubbish and the 10 pile of rubbish there. Me don't want to go to the mayor. And what me say is not a double standard thing. All I'm saying, people say one party not doing better. The other party take over the mayorship. It not working out neither. It not work out. So you have the councillor, PNP downtown, the Mark Golden Constituency. You have the MP that are Mark Golden himself. And you have the mayor that are Swaby. You understand me? All downtown. Rubbish still up on sidewalk. I know them throw it there, you know. I know them throw it there. But at the same time, in the other government, I never them throw it out there either. You understand me? So both parties, whether them inner power, outer power, them fair sure. Them 2 cents is not the government alone. Remember, we have a thing named parish council elections. Yes, it named parish council elections. Put someone on it, such like this. Yeah. Me, I want to that rubbish. Murder, she wrote. Ta-na-na-na. Murder, she wrote.